Waste management and the NIMBY phenomenon. Not in my backyard syndrome or the NIMBY syndrome is a phenomenon in which a community refers to the prosperity of local citizens in order to insist on citing unwanted but necessary facilities anywhere but in their own community. The reason often cited by these communities is that such a venture could possibly cause harm or unwanted disruption to their communities. Movements like this often generate immense political pressure, which makes them difficult to deal with. But how is this phenomenon related to waste management? The NIMBY phenomenon often interferes in waste management programs and prevents the efficient disposal and treatment of wastes. Thus, a few problems are created by the NIMBY phenomenon. NIMBY protests by communities make it difficult for municipal corporations or local administrations in cities and towns to find spots in order to construct waste treatment and recycling facilities. Such facilities end up being constructed on the outskirts of cities and near the surrounding villages, making it extremely unfeasible in order to carry wastes from cities to these facilities. Such protests often cause delays in the construction of waste treatment facilities, and wastes usually end up dumped in public areas. Areas with excessive dumping sites are shown to have worse living conditions and lower standard of living. These areas are plagued with a higher rate of diseases and infections, which can worsen health conditions. But what is the solution to this? The solution to this problem is twofold. The first is to reduce the NIMBY phenomenon. The bandwagon effect is a psychological phenomenon in which people do something primarily because other people are doing it, regardless of their own beliefs. Often, people join NIMBY protests due to this in order to avoid being unpopular within members of their own community. Overcoming NIMBY opposition is a complex process. It can involve the individual recruitment of members involved in such protests. The main idea is that if this can be done, we can slowly reverse engineer the bandwagon effect and convince more and more people of the importance of facilities like waste management sites. The second is the management of wastes on a larger and more efficient scale. If individuals on a large scale can practice waste management activities such as a zero waste lifestyle, the issues caused by the dumping of wastes can be eliminated. While it takes time to break up a NIMBY protest, it is much simpler if we parallelly improve waste management in order to avoid the ill effects of excessive waste dumping. In conclusion, it is necessary that both the above measures go hand in hand in order to solve this issue. It can be seen from this that wastes often have a deep effect on the economy and society of a place. Excessive dumping of waste and improper waste management can have excessive repercussions in a community. Thus, we see the importance of waste management programs in any society.